Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Robotics is no longer just a part of science fiction, it's rapidly becoming a central part of our daily lives. From industries to healthcare, from agriculture to space exploration, robots are working alongside humans and transforming how we live and work. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of robotics, diving deep into how robots are revolutionizing various fields and what the future holds for robotics. Stick around as we take you through the rise of smart machines and their potential to shape our world in ways we never imagined. The history of robotics dates back to ancient times when simple mechanical devices were invented to automate tasks. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, and we see the birth of automated machines designed to handle repetitive tasks. However, it wasn't until the late 20th century that robots began to acquire intelligence, thanks to advancements in computing, sensors, and artificial intelligence. Today, robots are no longer just tools, they are intelligent systems capable of learning, adapting, and interacting with their environment. From industrial robots on factory floors to robotic assistants in homes, the evolution of robotics continues to accelerate. Robots have become an integral part of modern manufacturing. Industrial robots, equipped with advanced sensors and AI, perform tasks with precision, speed, and accuracy that humans simply cannot match. These robots are used for assembling cars, electronics, and other products, boosting production efficiency and reducing costs. Factories are now becoming smart factories, where robots work alongside humans in collaborative environments, enhancing both productivity and safety. Robotic arms, autonomous mobile robots, and 3D printing robots are revolutionizing the manufacturing process, allowing companies to produce more goods at a higher quality while minimizing human error. In healthcare, robotics has brought about groundbreaking changes. Robotic-assisted surgeries are now common, allowing for precision that far exceeds human capabilities. Surgeons use robotic systems to perform minimally invasive procedures, leading to faster recovery times for patients. In addition to surgery, robots are being used to deliver medications, disinfect hospital rooms, and assist in physical therapy. AI-powered robots are also helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently. As robotics continues to evolve in healthcare, we can expect further advancements in robotic caregiving, telemedicine, and personalized patient treatment. Agriculture is another sector where robots are making a significant impact. The rise of precision farming, powered by robotics and AI, has revolutionized how crops are planted, monitored, and harvested. Autonomous tractors, robotic harvesters, and drones equipped with sensors are being used to manage large-scale farming operations with unprecedented efficiency. These robots can analyze soil conditions, detect pests, and apply fertilizers or pesticides in precise amounts. This not only increases crop yield but also reduces the environmental impact of farming. With the global population continuing to grow, robots in agriculture are essential for ensuring food security. Robots are increasingly becoming a part of our everyday lives. Service robots, designed to assist humans in tasks such as cleaning, cooking, and caregiving, are growing in popularity. Robot vacuum cleaners, lawn mowers, and smart kitchen assistants are helping people manage their homes more efficiently. In hotels and restaurants, robots are being used to serve food, clean rooms, and assist with customer service. As these robots become more advanced, their ability to perform complex tasks will continue to improve, freeing up time for humans to focus on more important activities. Humanoid robots, designed to resemble humans in both appearance and behavior, are one of the most intriguing advancements in robotics. These robots can walk, talk, and even express emotions, making them ideal for roles that require interaction with people. Humanoids like Sophia, the robot developed by Hanson Robotics, have captured global attention for their ability to engage in conversations and perform complex tasks. Humanoids are being used in customer service, healthcare, and even entertainment, offering a glimpse into a future where humans and robots coexist more seamlessly. The integration of artificial intelligence into robotics has given rise to machines that can learn, reason, and adapt to their environment. AI-powered robots are capable of understanding complex tasks and making decisions based on data. For example, robots used in warehouses can navigate through busy environments, picking and packing items efficiently. In customer service, AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants interact with users, learning from previous interactions to provide more personalized responses. The combination of AI and robotics is opening up new possibilities, allowing robots to perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. Autonomous robots, capable of operating without human intervention, are rapidly becoming more common. These robots can navigate through environments, avoid obstacles, and complete tasks independently. Autonomous drones are being used for surveillance, delivery, and even search and rescue missions. Autonomous mobile robots are employed in warehouses to transport goods, while autonomous cars are poised to revolutionize transportation. The ability of these robots to operate without direct control is a game changer, enabling more efficient operations across various sectors. Robotics plays a crucial role in space exploration. Robots like NASA's Curiosity rover are essential for exploring distant planets and moons, gathering data that would be impossible for humans to obtain. These robots can operate in harsh environments, withstand extreme temperatures, and carry out scientific experiments autonomously. The future of space exploration will likely see even more advanced robots assisting astronauts on missions to Mars and beyond. With AI and robotics working hand in hand, we are entering a new era of space exploration where robots play a central role in expanding humanity's reach beyond Earth. In disaster situations, robots are being deployed to perform tasks that are too dangerous for humans. Whether it's searching for survivors in the aftermath of an earthquake or containing hazardous materials, robots are proving to be invaluable tools in emergency response. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors are used to assess damage, while ground robots navigate through rubble to find trapped individuals. These robots can operate in environments that are too dangerous for humans, allowing for faster, more effective disaster response efforts. The military has long been an adopter of robotics for defense purposes. Autonomous drones, robotic ground vehicles, and robotic exoskeletons are being used to enhance the capabilities of soldiers and improve battlefield operations. Robots are used for reconnaissance, bomb disposal, and even in combat scenarios. The use of AI in military robotics allows these machines to make split-second decisions, providing tactical advantages in warfare. As robotic technology continues to advance, its role in defense will become even more critical in maintaining security and reducing human casualties in conflict zones. Retail is also experiencing a robotics revolution. In warehouses, robots are used to sort, pick, and pack products, streamlining the supply chain and reducing delivery times. Retail stores are using robots to manage inventory, guide customers, and provide customer service. Some stores are even experimenting with cashier-less checkouts where robots scan items and process payments automatically. These innovations are making shopping faster, more efficient, and more personalized for consumers. Robots are being integrated into educational environments to enhance learning experiences for students. AI-powered teaching assistants can help explain complex subjects, answer questions, and provide personalized tutoring. In classrooms, robots are used to engage students in interactive learning activities, fostering creativity and critical thinking. Educational robots like Lego Mindstorms and Vex Robotics are teaching kids valuable skills in programming and engineering. As robotics becomes more prevalent in education, students will be better prepared for a future where technology plays a central role in every industry. Social robots are designed to interact with humans in natural and meaningful ways. These robots can recognize emotions, respond to speech, and even engage in conversations. Social robots are being used in customer service, caregiving, and education to provide companionship and assistance. As AI and robotics continue to advance, social robots are expected to play an increasingly important role in human-robot interaction, particularly in elderly care and mental health support. With the rise of robotics comes a host of ethical concerns. One major issue is the potential displacement of jobs, as robots take over roles traditionally filled by humans. Additionally, questions about privacy, security, and the ethical use of AI in decision-making processes are becoming increasingly important. How do we ensure that robots act ethically? How do we protect human rights in a world where machines play a significant role? Addressing these concerns will be critical as robots continue to integrate into our society. The future of robotics is incredibly exciting. We are on the verge of breakthroughs in areas such as quantum computing, brain-computer interfaces, and even bio-robotics. Robots will become smarter, more autonomous, and more capable of performing complex tasks that we can only dream of today. From creating robotic prosthetics that mimic human movement to developing robots that can repair infrastructure or explore the depths of the ocean, the possibilities are endless. The future of robotics is one where machines and humans work together to achieve extraordinary things. As robotics continues to evolve, its impact on society will be profound. Robots are not just tools, they are partners in innovation and progress. From transforming industries to enhancing healthcare and exploring the cosmos, robots are driving us toward a future filled with endless possibilities. However, as we embrace the benefits of robotics, we must also navigate the challenges it presents. By ensuring that robotics is used ethically and responsibly, we can create a future where humans and robots thrive together. Thank you for watching Sam Official Tech. The world of robotics is truly fascinating, and the future holds even more exciting advancements. If you found this video informative and inspiring, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of technology. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring the innovations that are shaping our world. See you next time.